Now, with our board, we need it to be staying flush with the wall, and then we're going to need to cut it at an angle. I don't know what this angle is here, so typically we use theta to represent a missing angle. And this is something that you will get to see later on in your high school careers. But there's a thing that we can use. It's called SOHCAHTOA. It's an abbreviation. Where it stands for sine, cosine, and tangent. And these O's are for opposite, and then H is for your hypotenuse, and then the A's are going to be for adjacent, so the angle's right next to it. So using what we have given to us, we're going to use tangent, because we have the opposite angle, which is our dirt measurement, and we have the adjacent angle, which is our wall measurement. So we're going to use tangent for this one here of our angle, which we don't know, to figure out what angle cut we need for our wood plank. So we know it's 22 inches out of 50. And we need the inverse of these here. So that way we can find our angle measure. And this is a little tough to do on your iPhone calculators. There's a program called Wolfram Alpha where you can type it in, and then that way it gives you the angle degree measurements. So I added our picture for our inverse of tangent of our distances for our wall and our dirt, and they gave us that angle measure of 23.75. So we know our angle is, this is for the inside angle, so 23.75. However, we need the outside angle. We need to know what our cut is going to be for our wood, so that way we can have it go here for our wood, and then that way it will stay flush. So we know that this angle here is your 23.75. We want to know this angle, right? Because this is a straight line, two angles right next to each other, sum to 180 because it's a straight line. So we can do our subtraction, and so our angle cut that we need it to be is 156.25 degrees. So we're going to try that out. We'll see how it goes.